Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to combine two different products for a very beautiful result. I've got this Peaceful Deer bundle, and do you remember when this bundle first became available in the Autumn Mini catalog? We also had the Celebration brochure with the bold colors of the Peaceful Prints Designer Series paper. And you could get that paper for free, and it coordinated so nicely with this bundle. But now, Celebration is over, you can't get that paper anymore, so how else can we use this bundle? I don't know about you, but I tend to sometimes get stuck in this, like, I don't have the coordinating paper anymore. I just don't have any inspiration of how to use this bundle. Well, I'm going to turn that around for you today because of course you can still use this bundle with any other paper that you happen to have. And just to prove it to you, today I'm going to be using the Tidings of Christmas 6x6 DSP paper stack. I'm going to start by doing some embossing. These two embossing folders come in a pair called Wintry 3D, and they're in the annual catalog. They fit through the mini Stampin' Up cut and emboss machine, and of course you can also use them on the full-size machine. I'm going to use the snowflake folder on my white cardstock. Because the folder is only half the size of the cardstock, I have to run it through twice, and I'm going to end up with this weird line in the center, but that's okay because we're going to cover it up with other layers. I'm going to use the other folder in the pair to emboss on my soft succulent cardstock. Remember, when you're using these 3D folders, that you need to use the specialty plate, plate number 4, with your Stampin' Up cut and emboss machine. Now I'm going to stamp 2 deer on my scrap white cardstock and punch them out with the Deer Builder punch. I'll also stamp a sentiment and punch that out with the tailored tag punch. I'll sponge daub around the edges to make it really pop. Now I'm going to add some ribbon before I assemble all the layers. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it gave you some inspiration about how to use bundles even when the coordinating paper is gone. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you will also find my event calendar, more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!